Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in the ZTE Blade A32. So at the start always check your D&D mode, so open the top menu, expand icons and look for the turn on this remote icon. Now make sure that you have this feature activated. Sometimes you can miss it, so just check it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon. Okay, not on this device, we have to open the settings. Then go to the apps and choose See All Apps. Now look for the WhatsApp. Oh, sorry, not this one. And start from notifications. Make sure that you have this feature activated. After that, go to the advanced and open the additional settings in the app. Now check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. As you can see, now we have all the switchers, so switch them all. Now open the mobile data and Wi-Fi, enable the background data and unrestricted data usage. After that, go to the search and cache. Try to clear cache of your files. If you still don't have your WhatsApp alerts, make the backup of your message and try to clear the storage. You can also try to reset your network settings, so you have to open settings, go to the system, expand the advanced and choose the reset options. Select the reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth and tap on reset settings. And the last step, try to update your system, so go to system update. If you have an outage, just install it and check for your WhatsApp alerts again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.